Hi friends, welcome to Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial by Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. This is sixth video in the Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about two methods. The two methods are filter method in Python and reduce method in Python. And finally, we discuss answer to the assignment question which I have given in the previous video. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. First, filter method in Python. See the definition of filter method in Python. Filter method in Python filters an iterable by removing items that does not match the predicate, that is the condition. So see the syntax. Filter and in the round brackets, first parameter is a function which is a condition, and comma next iterable, that is either list, tuple, set or dictionary. Second one is iterable. So for example, in a given list, if you want to filter some elements, if you want to take some elements, use this filter method in Python and we can do that. I'll explain with a simple example. Example, I have list 1 with values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my list 1. I want to filter even numbers from this list. Only even numbers. I want events list. Events. I want this list. So I will filter even numbers from this list using this filter method in Python. So now I'll show you. I want list, so I'll give list here. If you want tuple, you can give tuple. If you want in the form of set, you can give set. I want list, so I give list here. List, filter. First parameter is a function, that is a condition. So condition for the even numbers is, if you divide an even number by 2, it will give a remainder 0. That is the condition of even number, right? So I'll give lambda. I'll take lambda functions. I already discussed lambda function in the previous video. If you want to watch that video, the link of that video is in description below and above icon. If you want to learn about lambda functions, please check that video. I'll use lambda functions here. Lambda a colon a modulus 2 is equal to 0. That's it. This is our condition. And the second parameter is iterable. That is our list 1. Okay, our events list is ready. Now I'll print my list, print events. Now I run my code. See here, the events list is printed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is even numbers, right? This is filter method. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Next, reduce method in Python. The reduce method in Python is used to apply a particular function to all the elements in a sequence like list, tuple, set, dictionary. See the syntax of reduce method in Python. Reduce, round brackets, first parameter is a function, second parameter is sequence. That is either list, tuple, set or dictionary as usually. This reduce method in Python is defined inside this functools module. So if you want to use it, we have to import it from this module. In Python tutorial for beginners from scratch, in that playlist, I had discussed everything about modules, how to import and how to use modules, how to create our own modules. The link is available in description. Please check that video. So I'll take a simple example and I explain this. So for example, I have a list 1 with numbers 10, 20, 30. Simple 3 elements list. Okay. And I want to find product of all 3 elements 10 into 20 into 30. I want to find this. So I'll do this by using this reduce method in Python. So first we have to import this reduce method in Python from functools module. So from functools import reduce. Simple. Want to multiply, right? So I'll take a variable product is equal to reduce and function I'll use lambda here, lambda functions, lambda x comma y colon x into y. We have to multiply, right? So second parameter, the sequence. So see here, sequence is list one. That's it. I'll print out product, print product. I'll run this code. See here, 6000 is printed. 10 into 20 is 200. 200 into 30, 6000. There is our output.
Now I'll explain reduce method in Python with one more example. See here, I take a list 1 with some strings, with 4 strings, and now I will concatenate all the words by using this reduce method. See here that I take a variable result res and reduce. Hey, first we have to import, right? First we have to import the reduce method from functools module, right? From functools import reduce and first parameter is a function, so lambda x comma y colon x plus y. To concatenate two strings, use plus operator. So if you use plus operator between numbers, it perform addition operation. If we use plus operator between two strings, it will perform concatenation. So next, a sequence. So I'll give list one. That's it. I'll print the result. Now I run my code. See here, the concatenation is performed. This is reduce method in Python.
Finally, answer to the assignment question. The assignment question which I have given in the previous video where we discussed lambdas and map function. In that video, I gave this assignment question. The assignment question is take list of substrings, for example names list, and add either string to all the elements of the list. So I'll discuss answer here. For example, I take a list names, and names are Basha, Stacy, Steve, and Ram. Okay, this is my names list, and I want to add the word hello to all the elements in the list, like hello Basha, hello Stacy, hello Steve, hello Ram, and I want to make that as the list. So I use map here. I take a variable result, and I want to make that as a list. So list and map, and inside this map I take two round brackets, set of round brackets. Set of round brackets is to write function, and second set of round brackets is to write a variable. So in this case our variable is names, right? Names list. So I write names, and to write functions we can use named functions or lambda functions. So it is very simple to use lambda functions, right? In the previous video we discussed the lambda functions. So I use a lambda function here. So lambda x colon hello s x print result, and I run my code. See here, hello Basha, hello Stacy, hello Steve, hello Rama printed. This is answer to the assignment question. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.